Modern-day primates. They come in all shapes and sizes, with a range of beards and hairstyles. This colorful group of animals are highly sociable and intelligent. So much of what we are comes from this group of creatures. Self-recognition is a trait unique to humans and greater apes. This chimp appears to be grooming herself. She realizes that that is her tongue and those are her teeth. This newborn chimpanzee's first encounter with a mirror seems to consume her with a fearful reaction. But gradually, her fear is replaced by a natural curiosity.
Not
Similar to humans, each chimp is an individual. Personality is a trait both humans and primates share. Their differences in behavior is one of many aspects that put us in the same family. For over a century, we've been researching the origins of our species. The evolution of humans from apes is a foolish misconception. The human lineage, alongside with the chimpanzee lineage, can be traced back to a common ancestor. The most recent link has been dated back to 4.4 million years ago. This ancestor has been named Ardipithecus ramidus, nicknamed Ardi. Ardi was known to have opposable thumbs and toes as well as human-like teeth. From the evidence of fossils, Ardi was discovered to be an omnivore and bipedal. It was also seen that Ardi had a small brain relative to the brain size of modern-day humans. Ardi's brain was approximately the size of the modern-day chimpanzees, and this recent commonality was a link between the other greater apes and Homo sapiens. Now let's switch from a primatologist perspective to an evolutionary biologist. Our journey begins 30,000 years ago in the heart of Ethiopia. Water. It serves many purposes in sustaining life. This early alpha Homo sapien starts his day by seeking a source of water. For if he does not find one, chances for his tribe's survival are significantly minimized. He realizes that his water source can be used in a plethora of ways. Cleanliness is a necessary part of life for Homo sapiens. It reduces the likelihood of acquiring an infection or illness. Along with being a part of this healthy habit, water is also a viable source of hydration and nutrition. Although the river is a good source of nutrients, it is not always a reliable one. These Homo sapiens must resort to scavenging for alternative food sources. This tribe was lucky enough to find a small cluster of mushrooms and a handful of berries. Homo sapiens have the cognitive ability to manipulate their given resources to create tools to benefit their needs of survival. This tribe has discovered that rocks can be used to grind these berries into an edible paste. As the winter progresses, food is running scarce. The tribe will have to contemplate the option of migration in order to continue their survival. After careful thought and consideration, the alpha male has made the decision to migrate and begin the journey to find a sustainable source of water and nutrition. The days are winding down. The nights are becoming lonely. If he does not find a reliable source of water soon, his tribe will cease to exist. Each breath could be their last. The alpha male cries out for a new hope, longing for a new beginning. Oh shit.
The power of language, the accumulation of thought, the overall gathering of the ideas we brought. Our abstract ideas now formed into words, the interpretations and meanings are distorted and blurred. In thought and by mouth we offer translation to annihilate the rigidity and enforce contemplation. Whether written or spoken, it is still understood by those accustomed to it and by those who should. Language is the medium through which we communicate our ideals and beliefs as we step towards our faith. From the days we were born, we began learning to speak. As each day progressed, we inclined towards our peak. To successfully interact with ourselves and each other, we depend on the teaching of language from one complex mind to another. Language forms a link and therefore sprouts a bond. It allows us to elaborate and in turn think beyond. The more we intervene with our fathers and mothers, the language we speak establishes an alignment of brothers. With ease and with struggle, the mind creates meaning. Of words and of phrases, we face reality without screening. Past what we know, we strive for something more. We need to be able to swim miles past the shore. To dive into the unknown and search for the logic, we induce our own thought process and look past the biologic. The lessons are spread out all over the world, making it possible for even more to be unfurled. The variance in geography may differentiate our speech, but the compilation of cognition is what defines the known in our reach. The strength of our words and the depth of our voice promotes the potential of our reasons and choice. The power of language, the development of structure, one key factor in our depiction of culture.